Hello guys, welcome again. So let me quickly show you how the fastest way you can view your system information like serial number, model number on your Lenovo ThinkPad laptop. So all you need to do is to press the function key on your laptop keyboard plus the N key at the same time to view these information. So you will get the serial number information, the model number information, the BIOS version, the operating system the computer is running. So what you need to do is to click the copy icon beside each information, or you can click the copy all command down there to copy all the information. From there you can paste it wherever you want to use it. In my case, I will open notepad and then paste it in there. You can also paste this in Word or wherever you want to use the information. You can also save this onto your PC for future reference. So kindly subscribe, like and share this video for more videos. Bye for now.